So dear students, we are going to revise the chapter Discovering Tut, or you can also pronounce it as Tut. Tut's full name was Tutankhamun, and he was the last teenage ruler of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty. Discovering Tut, the saga continues, gives an insight into the mystery surrounding the life and death of Tutankhamun, the last teenage ruler of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty that had ruled Egypt for centuries. He was the last of his family's line, and his funeral brought an end to this powerful dynasty. Not much is known about his family. Tut's father or grandfather, Amenhotep III, was a powerful pharaoh who ruled for about 4 decades during the dynasty's golden age. His son, Amenhotep IV, shocked the country by attacking Amun, a major god, smashing his images and closing all his temples. He changed his name to Akhenaten and promoted the worship of Aten, or the sun disk. After his death, a mysterious ruler, Smenkhare, appeared briefly and exited with hardly a trace. When Tut took over, he changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun and restored the old ways. However, Tut ruled for 9 years and then died mysteriously and unexpectedly. In order to unravel the mystery of his death, King Tut's mummy was scanned after 1,000 years, thus opening new perceptions regarding the cause of his death. In 1922, his tomb was discovered by Howard Carter, who used all kinds of means to remove Tut's mummy from the coffin. The ritual resins had hardened, thereby cementing Tut to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. Carter finally had to chisel the mummy away, having no other option. Every major joint was severed. In 1968, an anatomy professor x-rayed the mummy and revealed that Tut's breastbone and front ribs were missing. Such a revelation would not have been possible without technological precision. This fact gives us a clue that Tut, in all likelihood, did not die a natural death. Tut's mummy was scanned in 2005 under supervision of Zahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. The computer tomography scan could not solve the mysterious death of Tut, but gave us clues for sure. In this lesson, the author A.R. Williams has also provided a comprehensive awareness of ancient Egyptian culture. The ancient Egyptians believed that there was life after death. That is why the pharaohs were buried with a tremendous amount of wealth, including things of daily use, so that they could use them in their life after death. It was also believed that gold would guarantee their resurrection. So this was the summary of the chapter. Now there are many more things in the chapter which you should go through, and all the underlined portions or the sentences in this video should be kept in mind because they are the key points of the chapter. Thank you. So dear students, we are going to revise the chapter Discovering Tut by A.R. Williams. Now you can see these points that I have made. The pharaoh Tutankhamun, he was also known as a boy king, and he ruled for 9 years. When he had ascended the throne, he was just 10-year-old. Therefore, he was called as boy king. And when he died, he was 19-year-old. He was a teenager. His death was a mystery. He was also the last king of the Pharaoh dynasty, and he was buried in the Valley of Kings in Egypt. His grandfather Amenhotep III was succeeded by Amenhotep IV, and Amenhotep IV was succeeded by Smenkhare, who ruled for a very short period and disappeared. Now, Tutankhamun ruled after Amenhotep IV. He changed the new ways to the old ways again, and the old ways was to worship the god Amun. Now, what was peculiar about Amenhotep IV? He was known to be wacky. Wacky means crazy person, who did all the different things in Egypt when he had been the king there. He attacked god Amun and promoted the worship of Aten. Aten is sun god or the sun disk. He also changed his name to Akhenaten, that is servant of Aten. He changed his capital from Thebes to Amarna. And all these things was not liked by Tutankhamun, and when he ascended the throne after Amenhotep IV, he changed the old ways, that is the worship of god Amun, and from Tutankhaten to he changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun. Now let us know some facts about Tutankhamun or King Tut and his discovery. Tutankhamun was mummified with lots of gold and wealth. All the daily things or the needs for the daily things were also buried with him. That is, a bronze razor, games, clothes, boxes of food and wine. He was buried in the months of March, April. This was discovered by Howard Carter, who had discovered Tut's mummy in 1922. In 1968, the mummy was x-rayed. It revealed that the breastbone and front ribs were missing. On 5th January 2005, King Tut's mummy was CT scanned. CT full form is computer tomography. King Tut's mummy became the first mummy to be CT scanned. $1 million scanner was used, which was not a very easy task for Zahi Hawass to scan the mummy. So that's how these are the main points of the chapter. Please try to read the chapter for your objective test.